Hello guys, today we will be fixing this like dent or crack in my dad's laptop. We already did it to mine, so now dad will be fixing his with some tape. You could also use clear tape or any tape, as a matter of fact, except for that tape that you could just put it on something and then you could write on it. Do not use that tape, it's too weak. We're using some scotch tape. And here. So you put the tape through the back where the screen and the laptop keyboard connect, and then you tape it to the top and then to the bottom, or the opposite. It doesn't really matter which one you tape on first.
So you need to hold it very strong.
Yeah. You need to press it tight from the top where the crack is so that it can actually like stay together.
You put additional one.
I think for my laptop we put 3, 2 like the way that we're doing now, and then 1 across. Though dad has this off button on his, my off button is in the keyboard, so it didn't really matter. Also, if you hear this weird laughing in the background, that's the TV.
You should make it stronger, more stronger, I think.
So then, if you want it to be stronger, then you could add more tape. Dad's laptop has been broken for like a while now. Mine's broke last year because, well, let's say someone dropped it. To be fair, Luke kicked it off the couch. That's what's happened. Then it broke off. Okay.
Let's see if it sticks good. I think it's fine.
Because usually if you close it, like dad's charger doesn't work on his computer because it opens up. Also, if you were to close it, that piece like over here, it would just pull up and then your laptop will not be even. It seemed to work. Well, anyways, people, subscribe and goodbye.